Yes. I forgot what I was going to say. Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're exploring a brand new line of the Grand Design Imagine AIM. This is a 15 RV, and I'm super excited to jump right into it. So we're going to start out right here. For a single axle trailer, you get a lot of upgrades, including your normal size grab handle and the step above staircase. I like these because it keeps it from moving, and on a single axle it just helps even more. We also have lots of room and a really good size awning to hang out outside on, and you get the LED light strip underneath that really pops at night, and they even add in a little griddle just to use in case you wanted to make a few little snacks outside. But let's check out the storage. Our pass-through storage for this Imagine is pretty standard regardless of the size of this camper. It also is big enough in each of the doorways to put in folding chairs, so it's not a small space. You have 2 LED lights, it is fully finished, and your convenience bay over there has a battery disconnect. You've got an extra outlet, even an outdoor shower, which is so awesome. But let's step right inside. Now this floor plan is a rear bath floor plan, so you get a secret hideaway of your bathroom, but it's behind that door. It also is a convertible bed floor plan, so we have a bit of a Murphy bed, but we'll show you that later. Let's start at the entryway. Right at our entryway door, we notice we have a nice big window. It is a frosted window, and of course, an automatic closing screen door. I like that you have a window and a window close by to your entrance, so you can see if the pizza man's here with your pizza or who's knocking on your camper door. But close by to my right is going to be the couch area and or Murphy bed that I talked about before. It has this lovely couch that's a great gray color. It has 2 cup holders, and it does flip over into a napping mode if you want to have someone to come in and just take a nap and you don't want them on your sheets. That's an option, but the bed is behind this magic door. Now it looks scarier than it actually is. It only gives you 1 latch on one side, and it's very easy, no matter your strength level, to bring this bed down and put it back up. It does take a little bit of stretching to get to some of your lights, but your main switch is just right here. So one person can easily put this bed down and back up, no problem. We have cubbies, typical Imagine style. They've got USB charging ports and outlets in there for CPAP machines. We have our reading lights I talked about, our lovely blue light that would be cool on a movie night, and we have wardrobes on both sides. Plenty of drawer space and a nice hanging rack for each person, so even though it's a smaller camper, you're not sacrificing any space. But when you just have it as a living space and your bed is stowed away, your guests can come in and sit. It's very close to the entryway, and they've got their own side tables and different places to put magazines and or umbrellas. But let's talk about the kitchen. Your control panel is located across the camper, across from your main entryway, next to our kitchen cabinets here, but it's still very easy to use. It's right next to your AC controls as well, and a nice window from one side. You also don't have any slides on this camper, so it's a great boondocking camper if you're wanting to take it on short-term trips or camp somewhere for a while, either one. But one thing I like about the Imagine AIM series is that they give you these convertible sinks so that you can opt to use your sink if you need to, or you can stow it away and make sure you have enough space to cook and prep everything that you're cooking on your 2-burner top griddle. This is a smaller one than what you see on the other Imagines, but it's perfect size for this size camper, and it gives you a new hood that matches, and it has an LED light in there. It's really white and bright, so it'd be very nice and very easy to cook in this camper when it was nighttime. Up above this, you've got plenty of places for serving trays, regular size plates. These are really good size cabinets as well. And down below, we've got a drawer for utensils, which is very handy, and extra space for cleaning supplies down below. Since they opted for the smaller Furrion burner tops, you do get a convection microwave down below that, and a spot for any larger pots or bowls that you're bringing. I also love that they don't give you the smaller things. They give you good quality things, including this fridge and freezer. This is a new design that I haven't seen in any other type of camper other than this one, and it's lots of drawers. It's a very nice size, and I like that the freezer has 2 drawers as well, and it looks like everything comes out to be cleaned, which is always a good thing. Now above your fridge could be the pantry if you wanted to use it, and it is a really big compartment, but let's see where you would maybe eat at the dinette. I love that they opted to keep the standard size dinette in this Imagine Aim, and they even kept the shoe storage that's at the back of the dinette right by the entryway, so check that off your list. It is a normal size. We have a nice big table here that goes down for a sleeping space or comes back up all on its own with that single lever system that I prefer. It's much easier to get this table up and down than the larger tables. And we're right next to a lovely window that goes out into our entertainment space. So if you have that window open, you could be eating inside, maybe away from the bugs, and still converse with your friends outside. Above my head, we do have a TV in this floor plan, and it's right across from your bed. So if you sit in there and you want to watch some movies, no big deal. And if you have a guest that's hanging out and sleeping in the dinette, they'll have a really good view too. But let's check out what's behind the door. Your door slides open and stows away for travel, so you don't have to worry about it coming off the track if you hit a few bumps. And it closes with a magnetic latch. We also have a lot of space in this bathroom. On my right, I have the sink, well, left if you're coming in the room. You've got your sink area, lots and lots of countertop space for if you're getting ready. Even a really large storage space up top for medicine or even extra towels. We've got a few drawers and places to store things and even a towel rod. But our shower is located across from that. If we're comparing this size shower to another Imagine, not in the Aim line, I may be missing an inch or two, but it's still a relatively large shower with the squeegee door added in and the black faucet that matches all of your other faucets in this camper. And of course the skylight that brings in lots of lighting. But what do you think about the Imagine Aim series and this rear bathroom floor plan? Let us know what you think below, and let us know if you want to see the other floor plans. They should be coming soon. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online at cookvillerv.com where your adventure awaits.